people, and today I'm going to be wrestling these two.
Benjamin
I'm
Bunny.
doing it again because the other video had to be cut off, and I'm not telling you what. Benjamin Bunny. I've got my dog here. My dog is so sexy. My dog is actually my boyfriend. Dog's like super cool. Let's get this show on.
He's coming. No, he's coming. He's coming.
Show on the road.
Look, here he is.
He's well sexy.
So, Lennon, what's this? Look, here he is.
Do you think I should do a video on that cute dog? I know he's really cute. Come on, Lennon. Come on, Lennon, before you hurt yourself. I'm really caring about my dog, actually. Come on, Lennon.
He's coming.
Right, let's fight.
We'll get him off then.
Oh, we can't wrestle. Go! I'll still can't stop. I'll get it on tape. Don't speak.
It's a life. It's a day in the life of Damien. Make one more. It's the day. It's the morning in the life of Damien.
See? Can you see that? Yeah, this is just turned out into a random vlog, basically. I don't want to cut it off because it's got my dog in there, and I love my dog.
That could be just a note. That could just be a vid.
It's just a normal vlog, just a normal vid. Yeah, so
Bye.
no,
Yeah.
no,
Yeah. Damien, we're gonna wrestle.
no, we're not wrestling because we can't.
We can.
Find you. I'm gonna put this up as well and the wrestling video.
Yeah.